Hey guys, Kelly Henson with Texas KK. I'm here to show you some of the products that I put on my Cancer Comfort Guide that really helped me. And this is my number one. It's the shampoo and cream rinse routine. Helps with thinning, makes it healthier, makes it thicker. I searched a lot of shampoos and cream rinses. Conditioners. I'm still in the old school. Yeah, this has been amazing. Once a week, I do what you call metal detox because I live in the country and we have hard water, and this takes everything out, makes your hair fresh, ready to go. You have to do this once a week. And then twice a week, this is a major thing. I do it at night because it makes my hair so soft and healthy. I want it to go all night, enjoy it. You need this to replenish your hair for strength and gaining some extra stuff to make it grow again, okay? These 4 products, major change throughout my whole 3-year cancer treatment and remission. Highly recommend all these, okay? Thank you guys.